Hello everyone. So in today's video, I will show you guys on how to use Clickup in making your content calendar. So without further ado, let us begin. So first, open up your web browser and then just search up for Clickup. And then once you're done, click on the link that will pop up. And then before you arrive in this page over here, Clickup will ask you to either create or log in your account. So if you don't have an account, sign up. But if you have an account, just log in. And then next, let us start by creating our space. So to create a space in ClickUp, what you want to do is go to spaces over here and then just click on the plus icon and then start off by naming your space. So let us name our space content calendar, and then once you're done, just click on continue, and then here it will ask you to define your workflow. So since we're creating a content calendar, I will choose project management, and then once you're done, just click on create space, and there, now you have your space. So next, we should look for a template for a content calendar. So what you want to do now is go to the space that you've created. So mine is content calendar, and then just click on the plus icon over here, and then from there, what you want to do is click on from template, and then from here what you want to do is just uncheck the boxes that are checked. So I will uncheck folder and list, so we'll have more options in choosing our templates, and then just search up for content calendar. Then as you can see over here, we have a lot of templates that we can use in making our content calendar, so just choose one that you like best. So for me, I'll choose this one over here. So just click on it and then just click on use template. And then from here, start off by naming your folder. So let's just name our folder task management, and then select the location and where your folder should be created. So I will choose my content calendar space. And then for import options, you can either import everything or customize your import items. So for the customized import items, there are tons of options that you can choose in customizing them. So as you can see over here in the tasks area, we have due dates, start dates, watchers, assignees, attachments, and a lot more. And then once you're ready, what you want to do now is just click on use template. And then as you can see, our content calendar template has been made. So to view the content calendar, there are tons of view options that you can choose. So there is a Gantt view, a team view, a list view, a calendar view, workflow view, channels view, timeline view, and a lot more. So you can either just choose from any of those. So for example, I will click on list view, and then this is what it looks like. For calendar view, this is what it will look like. For workflow view, this is what it will look like. Channels, this is what it will look like. So for me, I'll just choose the calendar view, and then from here, we can now start customizing our content calendar. So let us begin. So let us start off by inviting people in our content calendar. So if you have people working for you and you want to invite them, all you have to do is just click on the share button right here on the top right corner. And then from here, you can invite, the person that you know just by entering their email right here. And then once you're done, just click on invite, and then the invite link will be sent to their email. And then let's say they are now in your content calendar. What you can now do is create a task. So to create a task, so let's say we will create a task for a YouTube video. So go to the date in which you want your video to be posted. So let's say I want my video to be posted on May 30. So just go to May 30 on the calendar, and then just click on this plus icon right here that says create a task. And then from there, type in your task name. So I'll name mine post video on YouTube. And then once you're done, just click on save. And then as you can see, I have now created a task. So to edit that task, like adding a category, a channel, publication date, what you want to do now is just click on that task, and then you'll be redirected here. So you can add a description, a category, a channel, a link, a publication date, and a shared URL. So you can add the description, just type in the description right here, and then let's move on with the custom fields. So to add a category, just click on this right here, and then you can choose what category your video will be. So let's say mine will be a tutorial video. And then for the channel, you can either choose Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, and a lot more. So I'll choose YouTube. And then for the link, just provide the link of the YouTube channel. So for now, let's just put youtube.com. And then for the publication date, just choose the date and when your video will be published. So I'll just choose mine on May 30. And then lastly, shared URL. So basically what a shared URL is, this is the URL that will be shared between you and your co-workers. So just input your URL there. And then if you want to add more custom fields, what you can do is just click on this plus icon right here and then click on create a field and then just choose from here. Moving on, you can also create subtasks and then checklists. So feel free to experiment with those. And again, if you want to invite your coworker in the specific, the specific task, what you can do is just click on share right here and then again, just input the email of the person you know. And then once you're done, you can now just click on X and then it will be saved. As you can see over here, the category, the channel, and the publication date has been added. And then let's say you want this person to upload a video in this task right here. So what you can do is just go to the list view and then scroll down until you see your task on posting a video on YouTube. And what you can do is just click on this plus icon right here that says add a column and then just click on files. And what you can do is just rename the field name. So let's name our field name post video here. And then make sure that the field type is files so your coworkers can add, files like videos, pictures, etc. And then once you're done, just click on add column. And then as you can see, the people working for you can now post videos on your task. And then you are now done. So let's say you want to postpone that task. So what you can do is just drag that task around if you want to postpone it. So for example, my task is due on the May 30th and you want to postpone it to, let's say, May 31. So what you can do is just click on the task right here and then just drag it to the date that you want. So for May 30th, I want to move it to May 31. So just click on the task and then just move it or drag it to May 31. And then your task will be moved. So yeah, that is pretty much it, and you are now ready to use ClickUp in making your content calendar.